Mini scale, big performance. Meet the all-new Furago XD and the Punisher XD. Two looks with one purpose. Punisher XD, iconic lines with an aggressive stance. Furago XD, all-new styling with a fresh, modern look. Both are factory finished in red, green, blue, or orange. Easy to pack in a backpack and take anywhere. Simply charge it, switch it on, and bash. Both models run the same XD2S chassis, engineered around full-size electronics and built for everyday bashing. Great for first-time drivers and still a blast for experienced bashers. Let us take a look under the body. Built on an ultra-rigid composite chassis engineered for structural strength and durability, with integrated side body clamps to lock the body securely in place. One-piece composite shock towers add maximum rigidity, and an 8mm tower-to-tower aluminum tube brace ties the entire structure together. The secure Shorty battery mount fits packs up to 48 by 107mm with two height options, either 18mm or 25mm, which gives you a wide access to aftermarket batteries. In addition, a Team Corrali high-power 2S LiPo battery and a P3 pocket balance charger are included in the box. Next comes the suspension. Up front, the C-hub setup, and at the rear, the double wishbone layout keep it stable and its handling predictable. Oil-filled 12mm big bore composite shocks make it ready for rough terrain, with threaded bodies, aluminum caps, mud guards, and composite shock cap protectors, while the suspension arms are designed to add extra ground clearance, backed up by 3mm aluminum suspension braces, while high-strength composite parts, like the one-piece upper arms and steering links, help maintain consistent suspension geometry. For the steering, we chose a standard size CR2215 15kg servo with a spring-assisted servo saver system. Now, let's look at the drivetrain. Power comes from the Team Corrali Turbo 17-turn high-torque brushed motor, mounted on a hybrid motor mount with a fixed position for a 19-tooth pinion. It's controlled by a Team Corrali 2-in-1 water-resistant 60-amp brushed electronic speed control and controlled by the XD2S transmitter with a novel 50 or 100% power switch. A 48-pitch 72-tooth spur gear on a solid axle drives two fluid-filled differentials with metal gears, built around precision pressure-cast steel gears for maximum strength and efficiency. Hard-coated steel outdrives, extra surface-hardened steel front CVD joints, and rubber-sealed ABEC 3 ball bearings throughout the model keep everything smooth and durable. Put the shell back on the adjustable body mounts, and back on the outside, everything you see is designed for real bashing. Ultra-flexible bumpers and skid plates take the knocks, while an impact-resistance high-flex wing on a detachable wing mount and a rear single-wheel wheelie bar keep the rough stuff and stunts under control. The factory-finished body and custom decals bring the style, and the custom monster truck tires on black multi-spoke wheels bring high-terrain capability that look great and perform even better. Both models come pre-built, ready to run, with the battery and charger in the box. Simply add a USB-C power adapter and 4 AA batteries for the transmitter, charge up the battery pack, and bash. Mini scale, big performance, backed by Team Corrali Engineering, Furago XD and Punisher XD. Team Corrali, built to dominate.